want to design hinge, which is used for opening and closing doors or wardrobes and furnitures. Okay, we have to start by drawing the base as the cuboid and the top plane. So select top plane. So let's draw the base. I'm using the center point rectangle, then 20 by 30. So I have to change the dimension, the unit to inch. So let's go center rectangle. I'm using center rectangle on the top plane. 20 by 30 inches. Then we extrude this. We extrude it by 0.4 inches. Right. We come to the shorter side, it's 20mm side. Select this face, then sketch. Then draw a circle. Click on circle. So draw a circle of 2.5. Circle 2.5. Now click on the circle and click on this line at the bottom. Make it tangential. Okay, I've done that. Now click on dimension. Click on the circle. Then click on this line here. Then dimension it to 1 point. The distance 1.25. Okay, so I haven't done this. So select a line command. Just click on line. Then draw a line from that point to the bottom here. Then draw a line down here. Okay, so now click on this circle. Then offset. Click on your offset. Then we have to offset by 0.3. Then click on reverse. We're offsetting by 0.3. Then in the reverse direction. So now click on your trim command. Trim. Now this extrude. Extruding this by 7.4. Change by 7.4 inches in the opposite direction. Okay, so let's go. Select linear pattern. So mirror. Select, go to feature, then select linear pattern. So linear pattern direction. Select this straight line here. That's the y-axis. Then the distance by which you want to give. Okay, we want the distance to be 15 inches. 15 inches away from this point here. So the next pattern that we're going to be having is 15 inches away. So we need just two. I think you can press enter. Yeah, I've not selected the feature, so I want to select this feature now. So just come here, click here, this arrow, then click on the, so you can see. That is at the center now. Okay, so now we are done with the first part. So let's want to create a design here to like make it so it's not just plain. Cut this. I want to create a cut design here of the stars. So just click on extruded cut. You can see it's going to create this. Just click on okay. We have our star and this is our hinge. Now let's create the second door hinge. Okay, for the second hinge, for the second pair of the hinge. Now we have created our 20 by 30. That's a very basic process. Come to sketch, select your center rectangle, then draw a rectangle of 20 by 30 on the top plan. On the plan, that's the top view. So now in this case, the same thing we did in the first one. Select this face, click on sketch. Well now we selected the front part for the first hinge. Now for the second hinge, you have to use the bottom. That's this end here. Because if they are going to intersect, it has to be like this. Unless they will not intersect. Okay, so I'm going to draw my circles. Actually, just a circle, then a concentric circle inside. So from what we used the first time. In this case, I'm going to be extruding an offset, right? So I'm offsetting my extrude from this face by 7.5. So change direction. I'm just going to start my extrusion from here. To start from here. So I'm extruding 7.4 with an offset of 7.5. My extrusion is not going to be 7.5 because 30 divided by this is 30. The longer side is 30. 30 divided by 4, 7.5. So if I use 7.5 here, there's not going to be any space. And that's very bad. Engineering. Offsetting 7.4 extrusion by 7.5 distance. So now what do we do here? I'm going to use my linear pattern. So I'm going to give a direction. I'm going to give a distance of 7.5. I need 2 units. Sorry. Distance of 1. Distance of 2. Select my direction. That was the wrong direction. So clear. I'm selecting this wrong side. I'm selecting the direction. Good. So you can see it will give me this face, exactly this face. I think we can this. So now this is just exactly what we need. For this one. So let's go. Let's Okay, so I want to create the screw, like a pin rather, a pin on the right blade to use to hold my hinge. Okay, so I just need to create I'll draw a circle. The diameter of the inner circle, that was the offset circle, was 1.9, use 1.9. Then I need a cap. Okay, let me extrude this face. Let me extrude this face. So the length of that side I used was 30. So I'm extruding this by 30. Okay, so I'm extruding by 30. Then click on this face. So I'm using I'm using 2. Yeah. The cap, I'm using 2. The cap, then extrude by 0.3. 0.3 is too much. I can just use it. Let's go to assembly. So I'm creating a new assembly. So inch part 1, inch part 1, inch pin. So let's go. So I'm adding these 3 parts. So here we go. What do we need to do here? Very simple. Click on it and want to use a concentric cylindrical assembly mate. So just select these 2. Concentric. It's not going to enter. Okay. It's going to have empty space here. So now let's go. We can, after doing that, select this and select this inner circle. Now an edge. Select the inner circle. Good. Okay, so I need to make these 2 parts concentric. So concentric. So I've made them concentric. So now I'm going to. Now what do I do next? I want to make this face and this face to be coincident, so they have the same distance away from each other. So you can see once as I made those 2 faces equal, coincident, I can move this. I can see the little space that I have in between. So that's all we need. Now these guys are the concentric. Now I'm going to select this little face here. I have my reason for not making it too big. You can make yours bigger than that. So I selected that face, and I'm selecting this. And boom. Okay, I think we can actually increase the diameter to 3. So let's do that. Though we are done actually. We are done. This is the end. As you can see, we have our beautiful hinge. This is our hinge. We want to work on the assembly. I want to make the rotation. If you want your rotation to 180 degrees, like from here to here, you should be able to rotate 180 degrees. You can do that. And if you want your rotation to be just 90 degrees, like from here to here, you can do that too. So how do we go about that? I'm going to create a. Okay, let me just continue from here. So now what do we do? Click on assembly, click on it. So click on advanced mate, click on angle. So click on 0 here. So the minimum is going to be 0, then the maximum angle 19. If you want to use 180 degrees, just type 180 degrees as your angle of rotation, starting from 0, ending at 180, then select these 2 faces. Then now I want to flip. Okay, let me flip it. There we go. Okay, so that's it. So if the angle is going opposite, then we'll select flip. But let's see. I've not selected the second face, so I'll be selecting the second face now. Then, so now let's go. As you can see, it starts from 0, then it will end at 180 degrees. Now you can see what the 180 degrees is looking like here. Okay, as you can see the rotation, it will start from 0 degrees, then it will end at 180 degrees. So that is that.